Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's the first official vlog that I'm filming in 2024. So I've been actually following this brand for a while on Instagram and it's called Mont. And I have two bags and one is LG 2-in-box, but this is the one that I'm the most excited about. I've been actually considering it for a while and the color of this one, when you see it, you're gonna understand why I went with it. This is the Tofu bag and the color is like this very creamy chocolate. It's beautiful. I really love the buckle. It's very discreet. Like the design for me, it's so thoughtful and it has a back pocket right here. On the inside, it has like this creamy kind of grayish tone. I think the contrast makes it look even more beautiful. Like I know that a lot of people don't care about the inside of the bag, but I do. And this is how it looks. We also know that I love shiny, rich leather and this bag feels so good. It's actually box leather, so yeah, very me. And it fits my phone, which I have the 15 Pro Max. Like no issues. It's quite a spacey bag. Out of all the bags that they have, I think the Tofu is the one that it's the most timeless. It's very low-key, and for me the color, like I actually don't have any bag in this shade of brown, and if I could I would have all the shades of whites, cream, beiges and browns in the world because it's just my color palette and I absolutely love it. So this is definitely going to be the bag of the day. I'm gonna choose an outfit to go with the bag. So I also saw this bag and I'm in kind of this green era but also suede, and this is the best of both worlds. So this is a very slouchy hobo bag and I definitely had to go with the suede. I am obsessed with suede even if I have a golden retriever. I just really like how the bags look lately. Like it's full on my Pinterest board and it has a longer strap and also a short one. And it also has these pockets right here to put your phone, your wallet, anything you need. It has it in both sides. This is called the medium Drippy tote and I think the name Drippy describes the bag quite well. Like it's so slouchy and comfy. This is going to be a great work bag and a great travel bag. I wanted to get something to store all my tech stuff. I found this one and I think this can also be an amazing makeup travel pouch or for your medicines, cables, tech stuff. I'm gonna personally use it for my tech stuff inside my big bags, and this is how it looks on the inside. So I'm just gonna finish my coffee and change. I have the heating on, so I will have to layer a ton today to go out. Like the past 2 weeks have been so cold, way colder than I remember last year actually, and I'm kind of happy about it, but at the same time I'm always around the house with a blanket, and when I go out I love sitting outside. Now it's just indoors because I cannot handle it. So let's go get ready. So this is the outfit of the day, also wearing thermals underneath, but overall I'm comfy.